Okay, this is the transmission out of the TSX. It's a 6-speed, and I'm doing the input shaft bearing. And you know, I've actually seen worse. Look in the case here is all this shrapnel. There's actually shrapnel on the other side too. I had to take the trees out like this because it's just jammed up. Lucky I could get these two 10 mils off, and then it all came out pretty good. But there's yeah, basically shrapnel everywhere. And like I said, I've seen worse. I've seen these with no balls. And then you put the bearing in, the seal, and then it drives like brand new. So I'm just gonna do my best cleaning up all the metal here. It drove pretty good other than the noise of the shaft moving and you get the gear whine. But overall, not bad. Let's get it together and see how it works.